do it. Cheers, boys. Project. Twin turbo. Oh. This is a side project. I've been collecting parts for nearly 2 years. Can't do much. I got half a broken leg, just come from operation, so I had this idea. I can't afford an F80. I want an F80 and it costs money. Cheaper than an F80. We make 400 horsepower and we'll laugh it. I'm gonna start with the front bar off and all that. Headlights and fenders. That's annoying me. But this all has to go. Big intercooler's coming for it. There's a baby one in there somewhere. Yeah, that was making me want to piss. Alright, let me fix this. So let's go through it. Tractor. So we've got an F80 front bar, headlights, F80 side skirts, guards or fenders, some 223M wheelios off X5M or so. Catless down pipe, just to make all the choo-choo noises. Camber plates and camber arm, other goodies. That's it. So another day, another dollar. Got the headlights in. Front bar sitting there. I have the guards are on, or fenders. Side skirts. Got these wheels. Alright, let's put this intercooler on and cut this bar. An old crap intercooler here, time to replace it. And instead of buying a BMW one, I thought it's much cheaper to get a big front mount. No Jap spec. So I have to cut the bar and so put a new intake pipe, see how it fits. Okay. Oh. Bruh. So. Intercooler's out. Nice bit of shit in there. So, comparison. Same as James Dean uses. So why not? Just not the 4-inch core. Little intercooler, big intercooler. Time to make these snap fittings from BMW fit the 3-inch. This thing leaking a lot of oil down here. Lots of oil in the intake. Jesus. Alright, intercooler's in. Got some nice aluminium mounts for it. Put the bar on, see if it fits. Cut out heaps from this. I think parking sensor thing's going to be a problem. That's how it is. For the one side, big.
The like a pipe you know, the pipe in there. Of course, the intercooler,
There we go.
To mount. It does a long time.
Put this in there for the mice so they don't get in. Thing leaks like a sieve. Gotta find out where it is leaking. This leaking, yeah, everything's leaking. Oh, it's got a fat intercooler on it, so we're cool. Time for the camber tops. I have F80 low control arms going on. Gives me a bit more camber. Camber plates going on. Oh, fuck's sake, man.